I thought if it's all right with you to start off and actually do some magic for everyone. We're gonna do something called visualization. This is happening with the guru right here. It's amazing to have a little bit of an insight into your mind right now. This is actually pretty crazy.
I think in some way unknowingly, you're sowing the seeds of spirituality.
All right. So first of all, thank you so much for having me and giving me the opportunity to do this. Thank you. And I thought if it's all right with you to start off and actually do some magic for everyone.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Everyone, yeah, sounds good? Okay. So I brought along a copy of your book. And we're just going to randomly bookmark a page. So Sadhguru, just say stop whenever you want.
Stop.
Right here. Great. So what's going to happen, I'm going to show you this page. And I want you to memorize the page number and the first word at the top of the page. That's all you're going to do. I'm going to turn around. Everyone keep me honest over here. So here we go. So just take a look. Keep me honest. Memorize the page number. You got it? And the first word. All right. Perfect. So this is where it gets really fun. We're going to do something called visualization, which I'm sure everyone here kind of knows what that is. So what's going to happen is, again, we're going to do a little exercise, because I believe that if you can visualize something strongly enough in your mind, we can do some fun stuff. So we're just going to go for the page number. And this is happening with the guru right here. So this is, I'm sure, going to be pretty profound. So let's just try this. We're going to go for the page number. So I'm going to close my eyes. And in your mind, I want you to visualize the first number of the page number. Just visualize sending that to me. Do that right now. Six? Is it a 6? Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, yeah. We'll go for the next one. So I'm going to close my eyes again. If you can visualize now the last number.
Yeah.
I think I got it. I think the page number you're thinking of is 68. Is that correct? Is that it?
Yeah.
All right.
It's not him, I'm transmitting it powerfully.
We're going to take this to another level. And we're going to go for the word this time.
That's very easy.
It's very easy. So we're going to go for the words. I'm going to close my eyes. I want you to visualize sending the word. I've got to say, it's amazing to have a little bit of an insight into your mind right now. This is actually pretty crazy.
I've thrown it out.
All right, so let's go for the word. Think about the word. And it has to do with a thing, but it's not a specific thing. It could
of course something.
Yeah, it could be many things. It's something. That's the word, something. Is that correct?
I already said it.
Thank you for participating. That was fun. All right, so now as a magician, for me, obviously, everything I do is about perception. And when you talk about perception, it really fascinates me. Because when I perform, I try to create a shift in perception for my audiences and a transformative experience for them. And so my question to you right now is, what is, to you, the practical difference between perception and reality?
The word perception is used in social transaction as my perception versus your perception. That means my distortion versus your distortion. The word perception is not supposed to have anything to do with a particular individual. Perception means to be able to grasp what's there the way it is. If reality enters you without distortion, that's proper perception. Rest is distortion. So, in a way, what you're doing is to be able to effectively distort their perception. Mine too. For a period of time, And this is fine. It's wonderful because it intrigues and fascinates everyone, entertains everyone. As you're a stand-up magician, I can call you that. It's wonderful to make people see how fragile or how inconsistent or how unreliable their own perception is. The more and more people see that their perception, the way their perception is right now, is not reliable, it can be just taken for a ride, just like that. I think in some way unknowingly, you're sowing the seeds of spirituality. That's good.
Okay, good.
It's very important that the young people should bring this into their lives, that you don't look up to anything, nor do you look down on anything. You don't suck up to anything, nor do you spit on anything. Just learning to accept life as it is. This is perception, seeing the reality just the way it is. If you look at life just the way it is, you will see every leaf in this tree is unique. Every human being sitting here is unique. Every little thing in the existence is absolutely unique. If you experience the uniqueness of life, it'll never get old for you, nor will you get old for this world.